most wonderful time of the year!
I don't know anyone else out there. We'll see how this goes. Guys, I just came from the most insane dance party. It's called Daybreaker. It's in 22 cities worldwide. People get up before work, go do yoga for an hour, and dance for 2 hours. There was a goat on my back. Santa showed up. It was insane. You need to see this. No, too early.
Now I'm ready.
I've brought my ugly sweater for the party's theme. Admittedly, I'm a little bit nervous about this. I don't know anyone else out there, and I'm not exactly known for my dancing. Most of my dance moves come from like those inflatables at the used car dealerships.
I am learning some amazing moves from this guy.
Good morning, everyone. We're about to get started. And switch. And let's do some cat cows.
Jumping on people. That's amazing.
Okay, cool.
All right.
It was born out of frustration over nightlife. As women, right, when you go out, you're editing yourself, right? Because you don't want some guy thinking it's an invitation.
Yes.
So we really want to invite sort of a safe space, a place that's super fun, alcohol-free.
Is goat yoga normal? Why goat yoga?
We're always picking out fun and creative, mischievous ways to really bring silliness to the community.
They just lost me. I can't even focus on yoga now. I knew that happened.
All face this side of the room, okay?
Oh my gosh.
And we need to know that somebody's got our back from time to time. Take a nice deep inhale.
I never thought I'd love this much. Before the dance party starts, let's get some food. Excuse me? Sorry. I never thought I'd say excuse me to a goat, but here we are. They've got a full spread here with kombucha, juices, bananas, yogurt, all sorts of treats. We've got some toasted coconut flakes, chocolate chips, almond slices, super insanely creamy coconut yogurt, organic kombucha, raspberry chia. Oh, kind of seems a little phlegmy, but tastes like raspberries. Do you have any signature moves?
Me? Yeah, girl.
Oh. Oh! I'm ready for this ugly sweater party. Let's do this.
Ooh, and the face, you get the face is love, yes. Get that ish. Yes, yes. When you want to get your run, when you want to get your dreidel. You don't find the meaning of Christmas under the tree.
Where do you find it, Santa?
You find it in your heart.
We're gonna be okay because we have each other, right?
Yeah!
Feel the sweat on your body, know that you danced this morning, that you lived this morning. When you go to work, you'll be like, I did something today already. You be what you want to see in this world. 1, 2, 3, 4, out 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. Good morning.
I'm still dancing. I don't care. I I was blown away. Like, I danced with abandon, totally off rhythm, and I didn't care. And now I'm all pumped up, ready to go to work. Oh well. See you next time.